Been better.
Why's that?
A quiet afternoon shifts in an instant when a park ranger's suspicion sparks a tense exchange. Questions grow sharper, authority presses harder, and the line between order and overreach begins to blur, every moment captured on camera.
I'm trying to get water for my dog because we just walked the battle.
You, sir?
Been better.
Why's that?
I got pulled over for no reason.
Okay. Well, it's not no reason.
Why's that?
Okay. Well, I couldn't see your license plate because of the tinting.
So no reason.
No, that's not no reason. How's that no reason?
Because you couldn't see it, now you do, and now it's there, and I got pulled over. I'm completely legitimate. I am a Texas registered, that's legal in Texas, everything's legit. I got pulled over for no reason.
No, it's not a no reason. I didn't see it. I see it now that I
So you're
walk
incorrect.
up to the car.
Okay, so now I got pulled over and you were erroneous.
I'm not erroneous. Pulling you over was correct. But now that I'm up this close, I can
Now you see how you were incorrect.
Okay.
Am I free to go?
No, can I take a look at the driver's
Nope,
license?
I don't consent.
Okay.
There's no legal reason for you to pull me over. There's no legal reason for you to pull me over.
A traffic stop must be based on reasonable suspicion of a specific law violation. If the officer admits they can now see the license plate clearly, continuing to detain the driver may violate the Fourth Amendment.
You can keep walking, man. Am I free to go?
You're not free to go. I'd like to make sure you're okay to drive this car.
I'm good to drive this car. I don't consent to anything you have to say. Please leave. Please may I be on my way.
Okay. Where are you headed to tonight?
Doesn't matter. It's none of your damn business, dude. Let me go. I'm good to go. You have absolutely no right to have pulled me over, and you're just pushing this thing, and I got stabbed by one of you crap cops, and this freaking DA up here is charge me for it to keep it quiet. All you guys have done is terrorize me, and all you're doing right now is doing nothing, accomplishing absolutely nothing, and there's no reason for you to be messing with me. All you're doing is eating too much and making that uniform look like crap.
Okay. I'm not messing. I couldn't see your license.
Right, so am I free to go?
No, you're not free to go. I'd like to see registration and driver's license.
I do not consent. I don't consent. There's no reason for you to ask me for that. There's no reason for you to pull me over. You were erroneous. Ma'am, I'm free to go.
I need to see your driver's
Nope,
license.
am I
and
free to go?
registration
I don't
before you go,
consent.
please,
No,
okay?
there's absolutely no reason. There is absolutely no reason, pal, for you to ask for that when you...
You have the right to refuse consent for a search or to provide documents beyond what the law requires. Without probable cause or reasonable suspicion of another offence, demanding ID can be unlawful.
You were erroneous to pull that over. Am I free to go?
No, I disagree.
Call your sergeant down here.
Okay.
Call your sergeant down here.
Okay.
There's no reason for you. You saw that it's erroneous right there. Everything, run my tags, do all that stuff. I don't consent to any reason you're doing any of this. I absolutely detest everything in your being right now. Am I free to go? No, don't consent. There's absolutely no reason for you to ask for that. Piss off, dude. Straight up, man. Straight up. I'm a combat veteran wounded warrior, and you have absolutely no reason. I didn't go to war for you to play Billy Badass like this. Go get your cop. Go get your sergeant. There's absolutely no reason for you to be pulling me over like this. I've been terrorized by the cops in this town, and you're doing your job to step in them shoes. I do not consent to anything. Am I free to go?
Okay, can I ask you how I'm terrorizing you?
Because you pulled me over for no reason. Am I free to go?
Your driver's license?
Nope, I don't consent. Am I free to go?
No. Can I ask you one question?
No, you already asked. You already done enough, man. Am I free to go? Ma'am, are you his sergeant? Can you get your sergeant up here? This guy is not complying. He illegally pulled me over. He wants to search and seizure me and my being, and he has absolutely no reason to. Y'all terrorists can take this elsewhere. I'm not consenting.
Okay. If your driver's license is good, I just need to verify.
There is
that.
no reason. Tell me why you need to verify that. I wasn't breaking any law. I wasn't speeding, and you can see that my truck is legitimate. Why do you need to see anything?
Okay.
You don't. Go. Let me leave. I do not consent. Let me go.
Okay. All I want to do is check that you're good to drive.
I'm good to drive. I do not consent. Let me go.
I don't know.
I don't consent. Let me go.
Okay.
Well, you pulled me over illegally because you could not see the license plate in my thing. Now your story is you don't know if I'm good to drive. Dude, I don't consent. Leave. You're terrorizing. You're absolutely terrorizing me. Am I free to go? Why not? Why not?
Just need to check, see if.
No, I do not consent. I am good to drive. I was driving just fine. You pulled me over for a tag violation, not because I was erroneously driving. Dude, you can push this as far as you want to go. You're on video. You're on live uplink, live load. You had better hope, Lee Wachowski, that you are correct, because you're asking me now that I'm not good to drive my vehicle when you just said that you pulled me over because you couldn't see my tag. Am I free to go?
No, I just need to...
That's illegal search and seizure. There's absolutely no, you do not need to. There's absolutely no reason for you to. I don't consent. There's absolutely no reason.
Okay, then will you provide me with your name and date of birth so I can check?
No, dude, you can run these tags. That's everything right there that you need to do, that are you legal to do, and that you can see through the window like you just said. I do not consent. Am I free to go?
This is very simple.
Now you're trying to get legal, dude. Piss
I'm
off.
not trying to do anything.
Yeah, you are.
But check your driver's license.
Dude, that's my ID right there. Why don't you go look that up?
That is not ID.
Why don't you find out how you're going to wind up on film?
That's fine. I realize I'm on film.
Yeah, dude. I do not consent. There is no reason for you to pull me over. You said you saw it now. Now am I free to go?
No, sir.
Don't consent. Get your sergeant on the line. Get your sergeant up here.
In the meantime, just let me see your driver's license and I check that you have a valid driver's license.
I don't care about Texas. You're in Pennsylvania. I don't care about Texas. You're in Pennsylvania.
Out-of-state drivers with valid licenses are generally allowed to drive in any US state. Requiring a Pennsylvania license for a non-resident is not supported by law.
You need to have a Pennsylvania driver's license. It's going to go one of two ways: the easy way or the hard way.
I don't consent to this.
Is you cooperate with them. The hard way is you're going to go to jail today.
All right, I'll show you something. I'm not.
You are. Okay. Are you carrying? Are there any weapons down there? I get nervous when you move your hands like that. Where are you headed to tonight?
Doesn't matter. It's none of your damn business, dude. I didn't go to war for you to play Billy Badass like this. All you're doing is eating too much and making that uniform look like crap. Make me throw up in my mouth looking at you.
This encounter shows how fast authority can push its limits. With calm focus, steady resolve, and knowledge of your rights, you hold the power to protect your freedom. They stand their ground, demanding answers as officers keep searching for a reason. Finding nothing unlawful, deputies back off. Moments later, the tension fades, rights preserved, and the whole exchange captured on camera. Here is another case. A man sits calm inside his own car, doing nothing wrong. Suddenly, flashing lights and a knock on the window. An officer appears with vague words and suspicion. No clear reason, just shadows of accusation. Dressed in authority, but hiding behind questions without answers. Sometimes the danger lies in what they think you might have done, rather than what you actually did.
Since I've got a camera on, if you were video and audio recording.
I'm just letting you know.
No law against it.
No, sir. What's the purpose of the stop?
Well, got a complaint on you for one, and the second thing is you did have radar detector mounted in the window before you took it off.
Are they legal to have it in the parking lot? Are they legal to have it in the parking lot?
Some laws only apply while driving, not when parked. Officers can't use parking lot presence as a reason for illegal search or seizure.
It is illegal in Virginia to have a radar detector mounted to the window.
Not in the parking lot.
What's he wanting with me?
They don't currently have one on duty, they have to call one out.
So how come I'm getting complaints that you can change your tag Tennessee to California while you're going down the road?
I can't do nothing like that.
Well, that's the complaint I got.
Well, that's a false thing.
Any reason somebody would say that?
You can't call in an anonymous call. That's just not right.
Well, that's the complaint I got.
Well, that's...
What's he doing looking in the vehicle anyways?
He can look anywhere he wants to.
He has to have
No, he does not.
He has to have paper before he
Anything
goes
that's in
in.
plain view.
He has to have paper before
Anything
he
that's
goes
in plain view.
Officers need a warrant or probable cause unless evidence is clearly visible and illegal in plain sight. Guesswork is not enough.
Is there anything wrong with the vehicle now?
Well, I'll tell you in just a moment when I check your tag.
All right.
You have the means to your tag going down the road. Why would you do that?
I'm not.
You have a California tag
Did you see
underneath
me
it?
do it?
No, I did not.
Have a nice day.
Why do you have a means to do it on your vehicle?
There's nothing illegal about it. Done had it checked out by state trooper.
Well, it's illegal if you're changing it
No.
on the highway.
I didn't change it going down the highway.
Well, that was the complaint.
Where's
I
the
got.
proof?
How would I know?
Show me the proof.
How would I know?
That's exactly right. How would you know? You've got nothing. Have a nice day.
You have to show proof
You got that
that he
something.
did it on the
I
highway.
got video camera right there,
I know
and
you
we
got
can
a
go
video
as far
camera.
as you with this as you want to go.
I know you have video
There's
cameras
nothing
out there.
wrong with the tag is visible and properly mounted. Have a nice day.
Why do you have a means to
No, I
switch
don't
it?
answer questions. Have a nice day.
Why have you got
Have a
such an
nice
attitude?
day. I'm not going to have an attitude when you pull me over for no reason. You stopped me in a parking lot up here and waited on me to come out of the store.
Yes, I did.
That is stalk.
No, that is
Yes,
not.
sir, it
You
is.
just admitted
Call
that
the
you were
dispatch. Get a state trooper up here.
You just admitted
Call
you were
state trooper up
stalking
here.
him.
You can call the state you want.
Call a marshal up here.
You can call a marshal if you want. I don't care. Right
Well,
now, I'm
fine.
in the city of Norton.
That's fine.
Okay.
I have done nothing wrong.
I got a complaint that you're...
Your complaint is irrelevant.
Who
Your
filed a
complaint
complaint?
is irrelevant. Show me. I got a right to face my accusers. Where they at?
Well, if they want to be here, I can get them here.
Get them here. I have done nothing wrong. Nothing wrong with my vehicle. It's perfectly legal. There's nothing in my dash. Nothing wrong with my truck. It's a 2019 just bought. Pay cash for it. And I have done nothing wrong. I have done nothing wrong.
Well, for
Police can't justify actions based only on complaints without evidence. You have the right to demand proof.
some reason, somebody saw you switch that
Well, some
tag.
reason, that's their problem, not mine.
Well, I can tell you, if you switch it and we catch you, we'll totally...
That's fine. You could do that.
Okay.
You can do
So,
that. But
you
as
tell-
of right this moment, you've got nothing.
You answer me one question.
I'll ask questions.
If you didn't switch it,
I don't
how would
ask
somebody know that that was a California
I
tag on
do
the back
not
of this vehicle?
have to answer your question. Have a
You
nice day.
definitely
Who
had
filed a
it changed on the
complaint?
road.
Who
No,
filed a complaint?
How would I know to look?
He did not change
How
it.
would you-
I'm not
how would I know to
here.
look? How would I know to
I'm
look?
Why
not
was she
here. I'm a
stopping me in the
witness.
parking lot?
Because I got a complaint. Don't
No,
you think
there's
it's
no
suspicious?
reason for stop. You could have stopped me before I pulled out of the handicap zone,
I
okay?
didn't have to.
You could have come to me without stalking me.
Yeah, it's
Yes, you
perfectly
could.
legal.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. I've got a
It's
damn charge in
illegal.
Virginia right now for stalking. I had to pay $2,500 to get out of
A little
it.
different,
And there's a
right.
reason for my
No,
tag
it's
to be
not
the way it is.
different.
Okay, what is that reason?
That's
You
none
got
of
a
your
legitimate
business.
reason,
That's
fine.
none of your damn
You
business.
can't
lady.
legally change that
I'm done with this
Bill.
conversation. Have a nice day. I'm not answering no more of your questions. You want to get a sergeant up here, or lieutenant? That's fine.
I am the ranking
Well,
officer.
give me another ranking
There
officer.
is no ranking officer.
There's one above you. I guarantee you.
Not
Who pays
working.
your paycheck?
Really, don't
working
get
today.
upset.
I'm getting mad. I want my stuff back, and I'm free to go.
But when I check and see if you can legally have a second tag on your vehicle, permanently mounted to
It's
your
not
vehicle,
permanent.
Listen,
Is
he
it
has
visible?
not
No.
flipped
I'll
his
find out.
tag, sir. He has not flipped his tag.
Call a dispatch and get me a damn trooper up here. There's nothing wrong with the way the tag's mounted.
I don't even know the address to like.
I don't know the name of it either. I'm not going to answer more of his damn questions. Done with him. He write the damn ticket. I'll see you in court. I ain't done nothing wrong.
How much you want to bet that one of the nieces and stuff has been up here?
Exactly. My lawyer done looked at the tag, said perfectly legal.
Exactly, and you need to tell him that.
You got my card? You got his card?
He stays calm, asking clear questions. The officer finds nothing illegal, only vague claims. After tense minutes, the officer leaves without cause. Silence speaks louder than words. This encounter goes beyond a simple traffic stop. It serves as a reminder of how easily power asserts control. But when calm resolve meets the knowledge of rights, authority loses its grip. The camera keeps rolling, preserving the truth. Freedom is earned, defended, and never given away.